back to the channel. This is too random for everybody that's new here. I'm James. Today is the day. As you see behind me, we went and did it. Me and Sarah bought this house. So we're gonna give you guys a little sneak peek around. We're gonna take a look and see exactly how much trouble we got ourselves into. Let's take a look.
We got construction going. Just dangling. Big dumpster. We got stuff in there. Underway. Whole bunch of mess. Roof's gonna go up soon. Oh, big mess. Oh, we got some. We got some. Watch out now. If he pushes that and it goes. I don't think it's going to go. Yeah, it didn't fall like I thought it would. You were supposed to fall down, roof. Go baby go! Go baby go! Yeah, you got cords connected, it's not gonna let you go nowhere. Oh! Move out of the way, baby. Come on, baby! Oh! We gotta walk down! Woo! Look at this mess. Hit the bottom of that stud right there. Look at it. Almost done. Then we got a huge mess in there. So good! It's a little big mess now.